Hello everyone and welcome to More Fun with Fitzy. This is 9.4. It's actually part 2. We're going to talk about post-closing trial balance, which is what you do after you do your closing entries. That's what post means, after closing trial balance. And if you think about it, after you've closed all of your nominal accounts, so that's everything underneath capital, these will all have zero balances. You will think about that just these accounts are going to be on your trial balance, right? But capital will be updated with our net income and our drawings. So there's our capital. That's the balance that we just saw. Remember the $28,895.42? That was our balance in our capital account. After we do the journal entries and post them, there goes our net income into capital. Remember when that was our third closing entry, which really incorporated the revenue and expense in journal entry 1 and 2. We closed revenue to the income summary, we closed expense to the income summary, and then we updated capital by closing the income summary. So that's all incorporated here. Then the fourth journal entry was our drawings, and drawings is a normal debit. So you have to credit it to bring it to a zero, and therefore debit capital by that. So this was our drawings. This was the D part. So we had RE, this was the I, and this was the D. Ends up in our capital account. So now our capital balance is going to be $53,731.51. So remember, on our balance sheets before, we had beginning capital plus net income less drawings equals ending capital. Like I said, we would talk about that. So there's our beginning capital plus our net income minus our drawings, and our ending capital is here. That's how our actual account gets updated. We've been doing this on the balance sheet pretty much now for a long time. But once you journalize and post those closing entries, capital gets updated. It's a beautiful thing. Now let's look at our trial balance. So we know how to do a trial balance. Who, what, when. In this case, what is a post-closing trial balance, which means after, as of December 31st. And again, these are only our permanent accounts. All of our nominal accounts or temporary accounts are closed, so they have zero balances. And now that we've updated our capital here, our trial balance balances. So that's the updated capital, the $53,731.81. Okay, by now you should be able to prepare a post-closing trial balance. Explain to me how capital gets updated in the closing process. Remember, closing is RE, ID, those are the 4 closing entries. And that whole capital G account thing. Hope this helps, and we'll see you soon.